In 2024, the landscape of AI and machine learning is evolving rapidly, presenting both opportunities and challenges for aspiring professionals. Here's a roadmap to navigate this dynamic field. Foundation building, Python proficiency. Master Python, the language of choice for AI and machine learning. Math fundamentals, deepen your understanding of linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. Machine learning basics, grasp the core concepts of supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Advanced learning, deep dive into algorithms, explore advanced algorithms, like neural networks, decision trees, and support vector machines. Deep learning, familiarize yourself with deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Natural language processing (NLP), dive into NLP techniques for text analysis and sentiment analysis. Specialization, computer vision, learn about image processing, object detection, and convolutional neural networks (CNNs). Reinforcement learning, explore algorithms for training agents to interact with environments and make decisions. Generative adversarial networks (GANs), delve into GANs for generating synthetic data and creating deepfakes. Practical application, real-world projects, work on projects that apply AI and machine learning to solve practical problems. Kaggle competitions, participate in Kaggle competitions to sharpen your skills and learn from the community. Internships and research, gain hands-on experience through internships or research projects with industry partners or academic institutions. Ethics and responsible AI, ethical consideration, understand the ethical implications of AI technologies and strive to develop responsible AI solutions. Bias mitigation, learn techniques to identify and mitigate biases in AI models and datasets. Transparency and accountability, advocate for transparency and accountability in AI development and deployment. Continuous learning, stay updated, keep abreast of the latest developments and research papers in AI and machine learning. Online courses and workshops, enroll in online courses and attend workshops to expand your knowledge and skills. Networking and collaboration, connect with professionals in the field. Join AI communities and collaborate on projects to accelerate your learning. By following this roadmap, you can navigate the evolving landscape of AI and machine learning in 2024 and position yourself for success in this exciting field.